I really do love this car.
What's going on, guys? Welcome to today's video. You guys have been begging me for point of view driving with the BRZ now that we've added the turbo kit. I believe in the last video we did do some POV driving, but that's all today is just point of view driving. So I wanted to give that to you guys, kind of show you how she drives in the back roads. Just some good old POV driving for you guys with some boost noises, with some twisties. And let me know if you guys want to see more POV driving. But without any further ado, let's just get into it. uneven and the downhill. Alright guys, that's where we're going to wrap up today's video. I do hope you enjoyed it, and I want to thank you so much for watching to the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed the point of view driving. I know you've been asking for a minute with the BRZ, the good old BRZ with the newly acquired Turbski. I know the footage might have been a little dark. I don't know. I guess we'll see when I edit and you guys see it, right? But trying to like spiritedly drive on private roads is very difficult. Is very difficult for where I live. I have to kind of go up to a certain area, and it's a little bit of a drive. So, man, today has me shot. 100% today has me shot. I am beat. Yeah, man, you guys keep me going. So, thank you so much for all the support recently. Subscribers, make sure you're subscribed, and make sure you like the video if you like the video, and if you made it this far. But other than that, check me out down below in the description. I'll include all my good stuff, but I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Wait, hold on. Peace.